Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's turning heads across the costume and cosplay community. The best black braid wig on the market, the Miss You Hair Women Long Black Braids Wig with Bangs. Whether you're channeling your inner gothic queen for Halloween, heading to a themed party, or just looking to embody a bold, iconic look, this wig is a game changer. At first glance, what stands out most are those long, sleek, black pigtail braids. The hair is parted neatly down the center, giving it a symmetrical elegance that suits both costume wear and edgy fashion aesthetics. The addition of bangs softens the look, balancing the starkness of the braids with a stylish frame for your face. Now let's talk material. This wig is crafted from high-temperature synthetic fiber. That means not only does it replicate the look and feel of real hair, but it also offers a degree of heat resistance. So light styling with low heat tools is possible, though not necessary. The strands themselves are thick and straight, mimicking healthy, well-maintained hair with a polished shine. But what makes this wig especially comfortable is the breathable cap construction. The inner cap fits most average adult head sizes, specifically 21.6 to 23.5 inches in circumference. Thanks to its adjustable straps and hooks, you'll be able to get a snug yet comfortable fit. That's important if you're planning on wearing it for hours at a Halloween bash or on stage at a cosplay event. Beyond the wig itself, the product includes a few extra touches. In the package, you'll get not only the wig, but also a wig cap, essential for securing your natural hair. And a gothic-style necklace to complete the look. It's a full costume-ready kit, straight out of the box. Another major selling point? This wig captures a specific style popularized by a certain mysterious and spooky pop culture icon. You know who we're talking about: long dark braids, deadpan stare, and iconic gothic charm. That's right, this wig taps into that trend without ever naming names, but fans will know instantly. If you're putting together a Halloween costume or cosplay inspired by that look, this wig delivers it perfectly. Styling is simple. No need for complicated prep. Just use the wig cap, secure the wig with the adjustable straps, and you're good to go. It holds its shape well, so those braids won't unravel or frizz with casual use. Just make sure to store it properly and avoid brushing it aggressively. One more reason this wig stands out: the brand's commitment to customer service. Miss You Hair emphasizes a support system that helps from start to finish. If something isn't right with your order, they make it easy to reach out and get a resolution. That's not something you get with every costume wig on the market. So who's this wig for? If you're a Halloween enthusiast, a cosplayer, or someone who loves experimenting with unique styles, this is an affordable, high-quality option that punches above its weight. It's simple, elegant, and instantly recognizable. All in all, the Miss You Hair Long Black Braids Wig isn't just a costume accessory, it's a statement. It transforms your look with minimal effort, includes everything you need to wear it right away, and captures one of the most beloved dark fashion aesthetics out there. That's why we're calling it the best black braid wig available right now. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your costume ideas or styling tips. Until next time, this is Product Critique, your guide to standout gear and accessories.